A black Cybertruck in Burnet, Texas, wrecked and lost its cyber wheels. The driver drove it like he stole it. The Cybertruck lost its rear wheels, which was torn off by the steel cable. Its right wheel already got destroyed. The cable definitely took care of the left wheel. There were 10 to 15 people on the sidewalk and surrounding parking lots calling police and filming the incident. Reportedly, this was after plowing down all the furniture. We believe he ended up stuck in this vicinity, judging by reports. The trims were already hanging off the right front, so it looks like he had mangled something before. As per reports, 4 cop cars had him boxed in about 15 yards near the incident. These are the moments they realize their truck isn't as rugged as they thought it would make them look.